don't worry, this is the time, okay lang magkamali. We're fine, okay lang pumiyok. Let's just work through it. Sing lang, so we have an idea what's happening. And coach as well can figure it out as well. Game?
I've heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major leave. The baffled king composing hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Nice.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Ay, sorry. Sorry.
That's right.
Baby, I've been here before. I've seen this room and I've walked this floor. I used to live alone before I knew you. And I've seen your flag on a marble arch. And love is not a victory march. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah.
Go!
Hallelujah.
It's fine. Keep going.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
This is where you get runs and ano na kayo. Diba? This is where you guys fly. Diba? Nice. Familiarity lang, right? What's good? I'm happy with what I heard, Red. Don't worry, I'm happy. Again, yung maganda nangyayari dito, yung contrast ng styles nyo. Very pop, yeah. And he has a very gospel tone to his voice, which I knew it would work again, di ba? Again, with this song. So you're giving two different takes which maganda, okay? But again, yung dulo, kailangan nyo lumipad lang. It has to, since napaka-contrast yung boses nyo, napakalinis, and then he has like a husk, and ano, di ba? It allows us to parang pwede kayo lumipad pero malinis na maganda yung lalabas. Hindi kayo nagsasapawan, hindi nag-agawan ng parang frequency ng ano ng section ng line ng whatever you want to say, di ba? So I think this will be good. And then yeah, the low ends and be confident yung sa baba, yung sa umpisa, even nung nag-stop yung piano, you sort of have to feel that moment lang, di ba? May drama rin to involve Test rin sa akin to na makita ko rin yung performance niya, how you guys perform with a ballad, with a slow song, and to see how you fall in di ba? Kasi kailangan ko makita yung game face niyo You guys are, nakita ko happy, masaya kayo, gano'n. Tapos like, ano kaya kung bigyan natin ng ganitong klaseng kanta rin, di ba? Na iba rin, so yung mga nakikinig at nanonood sa TV, iba rin makikita nila na hindi yung sumasayaw or, you know, I want to complete you as artists. Yun ang ano natin, as a vision moving forward, di ba? Kasi nag-paint lang tayo, moving forward, as we are stolen, nag-paint tayo ng picture lang naman sa tao at binibuild up natin hanggang makumpleto natin yung picture hanggang finals, di ba? Okay? But good job, thank you very much. You did justice to the song, but we're gonna practice pa. At suggest ko mag-practice kayo minsan, especially yung mga last section, sabay kayo mag-practice para alam nyo, at sabay kayo pero natural, hindi yung Like, oh, your turn, my turn, your turn, my turn. Minsan kaya niyo magsabay, tapos lumipad lang kayo. Jennifer Hudson, Tori Kelly, di ba may version ito rin? Panoodin niyo rin yun eh, yung ginawa niya yun. Okay? Emma June,
Thank you po.
EJ,
Thank you.
Isaiah, thank you very much. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you rin po.
Emma June. Emma June. All right. All right. What's up, girls?
Yes,
Oh, don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that, girl. All right.